Ladies and gentlemen, I'm your GFX mentor, and I'll be showing you my weekly analysis. So these are my weekly analysis. So firstly, I'm just gonna start with US30. I'm just gonna start with US30. Start with US30. Okay, it's much better. So let me just cancel everything here. Let me just cancel everything here. This is for my previous week. These are my previous weeks, so let me just test that over on weekly slate. So basically, according to my strategy, I'm just gonna be market off my weekly, my previous lows. I'm just gonna be marking off my previous lows and high. Let me just mark off. Okay, yeah, seems much better. Yeah, as you can see, this was a fake out. This was a fake out. This was a fake out, and the market 10 inside. Okay. I don't usually mark off every touch that I see. I just mark off my previous touches so that I can get where I am and where I come from. So basically, if I just mark off to see where I come from, let me just put it here. Let me see. Okay, let me just mark off from this. Yeah, seems much clearer from here. As you can see, I'm gonna be doing this. Usually there has to be a resistance and support trend line. So if I put them here or on this touch here, above this touch here, let me just put it on this touch. Yeah, as you can see, last year a breakout. After a breakout, the market retested and went to the downside. So before going to the downside, what did the market give us? It gave us another retest here. So on our 4-hour time frame, when we go on our let me see, when we go to our 1 hour time frame, it's gonna be much different. So let me just stick here just for a while so I can see what happens. So this as well, this is another setup. Okay, why would I say it's another setup? Because of a breakout retest. Once you know this strategy, you will be able to understand based on previous touches. I just my apologies. Just switch off my okay. Yeah. Okay. So basically, what I just did, I will show you on your 1 hourly time frame. Basically, I'll just mark up this thing just to see where I am and where I come from. So this is not a setup. This is not a setup. Let me just do this and cancel this thing. Another setup as well. So you must say this okay, another breakout retest. This is another. Let me just put this because of the lows. Based on my lows. Based on my lows. So yes, yeah. Based on my lows, the breakout retest, then the market into the down upside. So I'm still seeing this. As you can see, this is a touch market then retest. So I'm still seeing this type of movement. Yes, thank you. Just do this. I'm still seeing better continuation until there, based because of market structure. But at the same time, the market could just tell us it just almost, as you can see, it will come here. But let me just take off this one, and let me just take off this one. Let me just take off this one for off here. So basically, the market has been retesting from here. As you can see, this is our first touch. This is our first touch. This is our second touch. This is our second touch. So as you can see, the market gives us the first touch, second touch, and the third touch. So it's still inside what you call our trend. It's still inside of our trend. If you basically just take this one, let's try to fix it. So let me just put it here. Nice. And then just cancel this one. So as you can see, we've been marking off of the previous setups so you can understand the possibility of where we are going. So as you can see, the market is still inside the trend. So the possibility of the market going to the upside, as you can see, the first touch and the second touch and the third touch. So the possibility and it's still inside the trend. So the possibility of the market going to the upside. If the market give us our breakout and breakout and possible retest to come here. So that's when we'll be looking for those selling opportunities. So for now, we're just gonna be looking for those buy opportunities until the market break out, retest the structure to continue going to there. Let me just do this. Let me do this. So let me go to my 1 hourly time frame. So let me just put my okay here. Yeah. Okay. As you can see, based from our previous lecture, you can see this is our first touch, second. This is our let me see. This is our first touch, second touch, and the third touch. So the market could, because it's still inside the trend. So when it respects our setup here, we're just going to continue to the upside. And this sometimes could be is what can I say, a nice setup to continue to the upside. As you can see, this is what you call a candlestick setup. So usually after this candlestick setup, the market just respect this zone, after respecting this zone, and continue to go to the upside. So it might just give us a great uh, bullish bullish candlestick and continue to upside. So if we just reject our structure, we're just gonna be looking for selling opportunities, a breakout retest, or just the market continuing to the downside, or the market just continue the market just continue to the downside, if the network is giving me a problem, or the possibilities of the market just continue to the downside